This hose is very stiff and I'm going to need it to be straightened out for my project. So I'm going to try, you can see it's kind of kinked. I'm going to try running very hot water through it. And as it heats up, I'm going to try to mold it, to unkink it and smooth it out. And I'm hoping that the hot water will help. So I'll show what it looks like when I'm done. It did okay. It straightened out more when I used my hands to kind of pull it and shape it. It's got the stiffness to it, and I could shape it with my hands a little bit. And then the parts that were kinked, I just ran under hot water and reshaped it that way to kind of get some of these kinks out, like there. Okay, this is the part I'm trying to power wash. This is my front porch, which is protected from the rain, so the cement is fairly white. And then this part is black, this part here and here, from like algae growth. And then that part's white. So I'm doing the power washer right here. There's also moss on the edges. It's not really doing much to get the moss off. And for this part, I'm just doing a sweeping motion back and forth. I think it is making a difference in this section that I did right here, but I'll wait till it dries and look at it again. Power washer itself is made out of the cheapest, most lightweight plastic I've ever felt. It's not the most powerful, but it does have these different settings. 0 degrees was what I was just using. This goes up a little bit, and this is just a gentle spray. 60 degrees. And then that doesn't do a lot. It's just misting. This is 40 degrees and 25, and then the line. And the more it spreads out, the less powerful it is. The more it spreads out, the less powerful it is, so that's why I'm doing this one only. But that means it'll take me longer, which it would with a regular one anyway, but I have to go back and forth very slowly and methodically. So I'll check in after this part dries to see if it's made a difference. As far as the water, I filled it up to here. I filled it up to here, and it's now down to here. So about 2 to 3 gallons for that size 2 foot by 1 foot rectangle. Okay, it's still wet, but it's going to rain later, so I want to catch this video now. This is the part that I used the power washer on. And I went over this area a little bit more so you can see it's wider. And then I kind of did in the middle just a couple passes like this, and so you can kind of see that. So I think it works. It's just a slow process.